Need ATP swabs for a job tomorrow? We can fix that. At Agile Equipment, we don't just supply Hygiena UltraSnap ATP surface test swabs, we get it to you when you actually need it. In this video, we'll walk through your options when buying ATP swabs from us and exactly how we get them to you on time. We answer the big questions like why buy from us, how quickly can you get them, and how do we pack them? Let's jump in. So why buy from us? Agile Equipment goes a step beyond our competitors in two ways. One, we offer great pricing on UltraSnap ATP swabs. And two, we can get your swabs to you as quickly as the next business day. We ship from Brisbane, so you can have them sent to you via road freight, or if you need them as soon as possible, we offer Qantas Air Freight straight to your major airport. And if you're in Brisbane yourself, you're welcome to order and simply pick it up from us. There's a fair bit involved with the freight options, so let's dig into those next. How does the air freight option work? If you'd like to air freight with your order, just email or call us and we'll give you a quote. Our website store is not connected to the Qantas Air Freight system, so we handle it directly. Once you get in touch with us, we'll quote you the cost. There are 3 price tiers to choose from. The most affordable is the 2 business day turnaround. The second tier might get to you a little bit sooner, and the premium tier puts them on the next available flight to your major airport. Keep in mind that Qantas Air Freight only delivers to major airports, and our quotes can change daily. If you're happy with the price, we'll send an invoice. Once it's paid, we action your order as soon as it comes in. We'll drive it to the Qantas Freight terminal the same day and drop it off. From there, we send you a tracking link. That's where you come in. Check the tracking link for the confirmed arrival status. It will also show you the Qantas Freight terminal's location and opening hours. All you need is the connote number, which is the tracking number we provide. Quote that number at the terminal and collect your ATP swabs. The air freight option works best in 2 scenarios. The first is the obvious one. Your situation is time sensitive and you need the swab straight away. The second one is if you're located somewhere like Darwin or Perth. Shipping from Brisbane, road freight to these areas can take 7 to 9 days, and over a trip that long, the swabs can be compromised and rendered ineffective. They have to stay cool in transit. In that case, Qantas Air Freight is your really only reliable option. So how does the road freight option work? Simply order your ATP swabs from us from our website and it will quote the standard freight cost at checkout. As soon as your order comes in, we process it and pack the swabs in a styrofoam esky with ice packs, which protect the integrity of the swabs throughout transport. Road freight orders generally take 2 to 3 business days depending on your location, and because we ship from Brisbane, orders within Brisbane and the surroundings region tends to arrive even faster. Just note that more remote regional areas can carry some risk that the order may arrive late. So if you have any concerns, give us a call or send an email and we'll advise you before you order. And remember, if you're local to Brisbane, you can always skip freight altogether and pick up your order directly from us. You can buy Hygiena UltraSnap ATP swabs from us in packs of 25, 50 or 100. And if you're ever unsure, give us a call and we'll happily confirm our current stock levels. Find us at agileequipment.com.au and in our search function, search ATP swabs. Choose your pack size and add to cart.